Next two slides. Two times, yes. Self-reflection. So I just want you to self. That's it. Okay, quickly. Who wants to stand and share? ये तो अपनी कहानी है. Anybody wants to share? Yes, quickly. आपको क्या लगता है जब आप पहले इंटरव्यू में गए थे? I am 17 years old, you know, in the school where I am working.
That's how we start. Because I had experience. Ma'am, collaborative because of teamwork, most important, and critical thinking. All of it.
You can work well in group. You can think right, so that you don't get panicky. The attitude is correct. So that's what we are talking about, right? The competencies you have. Next slide, please. Okay, I want you to hear this seconds of this small clip I have taken out. It is from the India Conclave, and I took that clip because it was wonderful. बहुत ही अच्छा है इसका. इसमें प्रोफेसर भारत है. He is Professor Bharat, and he is an American economist. So let's see what he has to speak about life skill.
Families too. Parents want to equip their children with the skills that are likely to be most useful when they grow up. So it used to be, say, engineering and doctors back in the day, then IT a few years ago. So if you were looking ahead, what do you think the children should be learning so that they acquire skills which are useful in the job market years down?
I think that's honestly being too instrumental. As I said, 10 years ago, a lot of my students were talking to me and saying, what should I major in? I never told them computer science. If I told them that, I would have regretted it. But I genuinely mean this. That's looking at things too narrowly. What I would say is think about things like creativity, judgment, human emotion, empathy, psychology. Those are things that are going to be fundamentally important regardless of where computers are going. By the way, you can get those skills.
So look at this. Isn't it? We've been talking about knowledge se zyada he is talking about, and his daughter is majoring in psychology, and he said, thankfully my daughter never asked me. And when I got to know psychology, I feel so blessed that she is doing psychology, because he was a chemistry person and then he shifted to economy and economics and all. But then these are the important employability skills in the era of artificial intelligence that we are looking for. So moving ahead, quick 2 minutes. We have top employability skills. We just can have a glance of it. Next slide. Teamwork, risk management, effectively. Haven't we covered it all? Yes. So that is what we have discussed ourselves and covered it all, and that's what is most important. आज के time पे teamwork देखते हैं. Yes, the previous slide. Yes. The manuals are further. There are the next slide. Next slide. Yes. So these are the manuals and the handbooks at the CBSE Academics website. These are on life skill. You just have to go to CBSE Academics, and you will find all these manuals, more than that. So 2 more manuals are there.
You have manuals which are there for grade 9 and 10, for grade 6, 7, 8. So if you don't want to do your brainstorming, these lot of things are already available on the site. Yeah?
These are one you can take the photograph also. Link to आप simple लिखिए cbseacademics.in. आप वहाँ जाइए, you will find life skill का ऊपर एक logo है, and then the moment you will click that hyperlink, you will get all these important slides. Yes, last slide please. Next slide. Yes. So I want to end up this with SQUAF. How many of you know SQUAF? What is SQUAF? Do we have 1 minute? Okay. Anybody who knows about SQUAF? कभी नाम सुना है?